Hi everybody, this is Leo from the Lego World, and today we're going to review the Battle of Guldur. And now we're going to start with the minifigures. I don't know who this is. Guldur, Azog, and there are 6 minifigures, and Gandalf the Grey, Gollum, Frodo, and Radgast, and the Necromancer. And then now I'll show you the features, what it does. So if you turn this, it knocks him down, and if you turn this is the guy I was just talking about, the Necromancer of Guldur. Right here you can move this up and down, and this and then over here a swinging blade. The swinging blade. You'll get caught with a spider and this. Whoa. A swinging blade.
Okay, what else we got?
And you know these gates open and close. And right here's a skeleton that should have been in here. You know, somehow it escaped. And then it goes there, and it just falls out instead of the Lego Hobbit. And right here we have Gollum trying to find the missing jewel of this lady. It's a stone girl. And he's trying to find the golden, I don't know. It's kind of some kind of emerald, and then he's going after the ring. So he has to find the emerald, then the ring. And somehow this skeleton, Gollum drags his skeleton up there to remind you of something. And over here, you get to open this, and there that is. It's just like a little emerald something, and then you get the spare in there, and then you put it right there, and then you put that there, and that's pretty much it. So this also could come off and go to ground level. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.